Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Today, we're diving into fall veggies that thrive in cooler autumn months. In this video, I'll share 8 of my favorite veggies for a bountiful fall harvest. Stick around and let's get growing. First up, we've got kale, the king of cold weather crops. This leafy green is not just a nutritional powerhouse, but also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Kale handles chilly temperatures like a champ, thriving even when the mercury dips. It's one of the few vegetables that can withstand frost and still come out looking and tasting great. In fact, a touch of frost can actually make its flavor sweeter, enhancing its natural taste. This makes it an excellent choice for late-season gardening. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and iron. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, supporting everything from vision to immune function. You can make kale chips, which are a healthy and crunchy snack alternative to traditional potato chips. Toss it into a stir-fry for a quick and nutritious meal. Its sturdy leaves hold up well to high heat, making it perfect for this cooking method. Blend it into a smoothie for a nutrient-packed drink. Kale's mild flavor pairs well with fruits like bananas and berries, making it a great addition to your morning routine, or massage it for a salad. Massaging kale helps to break down its tough fibers, making it more tender and easier to eat raw. For a fall harvest, try cold hardy varieties like Winterbor, Siberian, or Red Russian. These types are specifically bred to withstand colder temperatures, ensuring you have a bountiful harvest, even as the days grow shorter and cooler. Next up, Brussels sprouts. These tiny green vegetables often get a bad rap, but they are truly a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. These little green gems are delicious, especially when grown in cool weather. The cool temperatures help them develop a unique taste that is both savory and slightly sweet. Frost turns their starches into sugar, giving them a sweeter, nuttier flavor. This natural process enhances their taste, making them a delightful addition to any meal. They're packed with vitamin C and K, fiber, and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, supporting your immune system, and keeping your bones strong. Roast them with olive oil and salt, shred them for salads, or even grill them for a smoky flavor. The possibilities are endless when it comes to preparing Brussels sprouts, or add them to stir-fries. They add a wonderful crunch and a burst of flavor to any dish. Give Brussels sprouts another chance this fall. You might be surprised. Their versatility and health benefits make them a fantastic choice for your autumn menu. Now, let's talk about a root vegetable that's as sweet as a crisp autumn day. Carrots. These vibrant orange beauties are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for the taste buds. Cold weather helps carrots convert starches into sugars, resulting in a more intense flavor. This natural process makes them taste even better when the temperatures drop. Carrots taste better after a light frost, becoming more tender and less bitter. Snack on them raw, roast them, add them to stews, or even blend them into a nutritious smoothie. Their versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. And let's not forget about desserts. Carrots can be baked into delicious cakes, adding a natural sweetness and moist texture that's hard to resist. Carrot cake is a classic favorite, perfect for any occasion. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is essential for good vision and a healthy immune system. They also provide a good amount of antioxidants and fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. So whether you're enjoying them fresh from the garden or as part of a hearty meal, carrots are a nutritious and delicious choice for the autumn season. All right, let's move on to spinach, the Energizer Bunny of the garden. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures and can survive a light frost. It grows incredibly fast, with baby leaves ready in a month, and you can harvest for weeks. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, iron, and folate, spinach is a versatile and nutritious addition to any fall garden. Next up, broccoli. This cool season crop thrives in fall's crisp temperatures. Broccoli prefers cooler weather to avoid bolting and is packed with vitamins C, K, and A, fiber, and folate. It contains compounds linked to reduced cancer risk. Roast, steam, saute, or enjoy it raw, just don't overcook it. For a healthy and delicious fall garden addition, add broccoli to your list. Beets, earthy delights for fall. Beets are known for their earthy, slightly sweet flavor and are fantastic for fall gardens. They're hardy and can tolerate frost, and you can eat the entire plant. Beets are a good source of fiber, folate, and nitrates, which improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. For a unique and nutritious full garden edition, give beets a try. Cabbage, the crunchy, versatile staple. Cabbage is a cool season crop perfect for fall gardens, hardy and frost-tolerant. It stores well, keeping fresh for months in a cool, dark place. Use it in salads, slaws, soups, stews, stir-fries, or make sauerkraut. Cabbage is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Radishes, fast-growing flavor bombs. Radishes are a cool season crop perfect for fall gardens, maturing in as little as 3 weeks. They're easy to grow, low maintenance, and come in various colors and flavors. Radishes are a good source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. For a quick, easy, and delicious fall garden edition, try radishes. Happy fall gardening! I hope this video inspired you to make the most of the cooler months in your garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Great North Gardener, and let me know in the comments what you're planting this fall. Happy gardening, everyone!